Hey guys, it's Christy M. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be about Eyebrows 101. I get asked on a daily basis on how to do eyebrows. Plus, when anyone sees me, they're like, oh my gosh, girl, your eyebrows are fleeky. Is that still a word or nah? Let's get into it. So here I have my Mabeline palette. It's a metallic palette. I got it from Target for a few bucks. I'm shading in my eyebrows with that black. I want a more defined look. This is going to give me like this nice, crisp finish, you guys. Yes, flaky eyebrows on point. Slaying those eyebrows. All right, honey, you look a hot mess right now. The eyebrows look horrible, but now we're going to conceal with this matte concealer. This is my best friend. Always use a lighter shade. All right, time to conceal. Always go in and go in to make your perfect arch. Everyone has their own arch. Do not be making up your own freaking arch, you guys. Let's do it the right way. This is nice. I love it. Yes, you're going in, out, and then you go from the outer as well. Hello, gorgeous. Yes, let's slay those eyebrows. Yes, honey.
All right, ladies. So once you're done, your eyebrows should look so flawless like this. Total fab.
I hope you guys enjoyed this basic eyebrow tutorial. And make sure you guys go follow me on all of my social media platforms on the cue card there. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!